Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll have a look at one of the most flourishing and most in-demand languages, Python. More specifically, we'll talk about why you should consider learning Python, the best resources to learn Python, and how long it will take to master Python. If you are a programming beginner, you have probably heard about the countless number of programming languages available for every beginner. For this reason, getting started in your coding or programming journey can sometimes be a strenuous task. However, within the plethora of languages, one language stands out. Python is a general-purpose, high-level, interactive, object-oriented language. It was created by Guido van Rossum between the years 1985 to 1990 and released in 1991. Since then, Python has become one of the most appreciated programming languages in the world. In a yearly survey for the most loved programming languages conducted by Stack Overflow in 2015, Python was ranked 10th. But guess what? In the same survey conducted in 2020, Python had moved up the ranks to number 3. In addition, it is one of the most in-demand languages in recent times, with programmers, developers, and engineers appreciating its versatility and flexibility. Well, here are the 5 reasons why you should consider learning Python. Number 1. Python is user-friendly. In the year 1999, Van Rossum presented a proposal to DARPA with the following visions for Python with regards to its syntax. Make Python an easy and intuitive language. Make Python have code that is understandable as the English language. In hindsight, Python has proven to be a beginner-friendly language since it has a syntax that is close to the human language. It is therefore easy to learn and understand. Number 2. Availability of learning resources and documentation. With its ever-increasing applications, the necessity for new Python libraries is at its all-time high. As a result, the demand for documentation and learning resources is at its record high. Python is one of the programming languages with the highest number of learning resources, from books, videos, and guided tutorials, all aimed at ensuring you understand the language better. Number 3. Python is versatile. Unlike most programming languages, Python is not limited to single uses. Its adaptability makes it suitable for multiple applications, from artificial intelligence, data science, hardware programming, machine learning, mobile development, web development, as well as software development, including many other fields. This makes Python one of the most alluring languages out there. Number 4. The high market for Python developers. In a survey conducted by Steam Kiwi in September 2019, Python accounted for 70,242 job postings. However, in February 2021, Python saw a substantial increase to 79,942 job listings. Moreover, Python is one of the leading languages with the highest number of freelancers. One key advantage is the opportunity to make money while still learning how to code. Number 5. Python has an awesome and supportive community. While learning how to code, getting help and guidance from experienced programmers comes in handy. One major benefit of Python is its robust and supportive online community. Users have the opportunity to post questions and get guidance from community forums such as Stack Overflow, Spiceworks, Reddit, and FreeCodeCamp, among many other forums. That being said, you may be wondering, what is the best place to learn Python? Well, there is no answer applicable for every learner. I personally began my journey with the help of SoloLearn and W3 schools and got guided training from YouTube. However, as time went by, new e-learning platforms like Skillshare and Udemy, among others, have emerged and have become one of the best platforms for beginners. Finally, how long does it take to master Python? Depending on your area of interest, you could grow from being a beginner to an advanced programmer in less than 6 months. You just have to be determined, disciplined, and consistent while learning. I hope I have convinced you to consider learning Python. If you are interested, check out some of our video tutorials available for you in our channel. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share. Good luck in your journey to become a Pythonist.